Hey everyone, welcome back to Get Fit with R. I'm your guide to health and fitness. Today, we're tackling a topic that seems almost too good to be true. How to eat everything you love and still lose weight. Let's dive in. First, let's clarify what we mean by eating everything. It doesn't mean binge eating junk food and expecting to lose weight. The key is moderation and making smarter choices with your food. You can enjoy a variety of foods without deprivation. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. This is called a calorie deficit. Let's break down the basics of calories and macronutrients. Knowing what you're eating is crucial. Enjoy your favorite foods, but be mindful of portion sizes. Smaller portions can satisfy your cravings without overdoing it. One trick is to use smaller plates and bowls, which can make portions look larger and help you feel more satisfied with less food. Also, be aware of your hunger cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Try to avoid eating straight from the package, as it's easy to lose track of how much you've consumed. Pre-portioning snacks into smaller containers can help you control your intake. Swap high-calorie ingredients for healthier options. For example, use Greek yogurt instead of sour cream, or opt for whole grain bread instead of white bread. Make sure each meal includes a balance of protein, carbs, and fats. This helps keep you full and energized. Eat slowly and savor your food. This can help prevent overeating and make you more aware of what you're eating. Drinking water before meals can also help you feel fuller and prevent overeating. Cravings are a normal part of any diet, but learning how to manage them is key to your success. When a craving hits, wait 10 to 15 minutes before giving in. Often, the craving will pass. If it doesn't, enjoy a small portion of what you're craving. Sometimes, cravings are a sign that your body needs a specific nutrient. For example, if you crave chocolate, you might be low on magnesium. Including a variety of healthy foods in your diet can help reduce cravings over time. Another tip is to ensure you're getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can increase hunger and cravings, making it harder to stick to your healthy eating plan. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Also, managing stress is crucial. High stress levels can lead to emotional eating and cravings for unhealthy foods. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as yoga, meditation, or even a walk in nature. Additionally, try to eat more fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. Fiber helps you feel full longer and can aid in weight loss. Remember, losing weight is a journey, and it's important to find a balance that works for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. See you next time. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.